Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store app. Then click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to download this app from this developer, Mad Scientist. And when it's ready, open it. Now click on those two lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. After that, you need to choose I accept in this pop-up and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, you can click on the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper over here and tap on one of those options. I will go with both screens. Now you need to swipe up and click on Home button. As you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!